All right, check it out. We just got these. They're globes. And this comes off. This goes into the plant dirt. Supposedly it disperses the water. You screw them on. Make sure you get them on pretty tight. And then in the top, you just fill them up with water there. So I'll show you how that's done. All right, so anyway, I just get a little stream of water and we just fill it up. And these hold a lot of water. So now we'll try them and see how they work. Wow, it's taking forever to fill it up. Almost got it. And so, whoops. That's it. Bam, done. Okay, now let's go put this in a plant. I guess I could just put it right in here, right? Set her down in there. Bam. Of course, I got it on the leaves here. There we go. All right, now we'll just let that thing do its thing. Bam, done.